Shemai and welcome. My name is Chris Knight. I'm a former professional rugby player turned outdoor enthusiast and Ordnance Survey champion. And today I'm heading for a hike to the Carmarthenshire Fans, where I'm going to be testing out the Lowe Alpine AirZone 22-litre Daypack. So I thought I'd bring you along for the ride and showcase what this fantastic bit of kit is all about. Let's go. So I've made it up to the shoreline of Llyn Fan Fach, and I first of all wanted to talk about who this backpack is for. Now, bigger isn't always better when it comes to day packs. I recommend a capacity between 15 and 30 litres. That'll be dependent on the season, the type and duration of hike, alongside what is essential for you to bring. Now, this backpack is 22 litres, so that sits smack bang in the middle of those two numbers, and for me it's ideal. I can carry the plethora of camera gear that I always bring along with me, alongside all the essentials that I take with me on a day hike. And at 800 grams, it's super lightweight and not too bulky if half filled. So if I'm going on a shorter little jaunt, it's also an ideal bag to take along with me. Right, I'm gonna head up along the ridgeline, so let's crack on with the hike. So I've hiked up here to the ridgeline above Llyn Fan Fach, and I want to talk about the fit and my favourite feature of this backpack, which is this suspended mesh panel which sits between yourself and the back of the backpack. Now, this creates an air zone which improves ventilation and reduces the amount you sweat. It's a great feature and it's super comfortable. It's also got padded shoulder straps alongside chest and waist clips to help disperse weight, and the hip belt is padded, making it even more comfortable. All round, it's a great fitted backpack and generally one that is super comfortable. Right, I'm going to continue along to the summit of Picus D, so let's crack on. So the sun has just set behind the magnificent Picus D, and I want to finish up by talking about a few other features which you'll find on this backpack. It is compatible with water bladders up to a size of 3 litres. It comes with its own internal rain cover to protect your bag when things get wetter than expected. On the sides, 2 stretchy mesh pockets to easily fit water bottles and belongings, and you also have a quick and easy stretchy mesh pocket on the front. Now, it comes with unique tip grippers on the side of the bag so you can securely and easily fasten walking poles, and it also has 2 internal pockets to secure valuables. Now, I absolutely love this day pack, especially the AirZone on the back of it. It's ideal for those who like to travel fast and light and those tackling day hikes. From now on, it's going to be my go-to backpack going forward. Thanks for watching. Until next time, diolch yn fawr.